Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to generate AI video. You see on screen tiger is riding a bike on road. Okay, let's start video. Open browser, type Google AI Studio. Type on Google AI Studio and tap on three lines left side top. Tap on video generator. Type here command what type video you want. I am typing here and tiger riding a bike Royal Enfield on Mumbai street. Tap on upload icon. Video is generating. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon for latest updates. Video is generating. Please wait, it's take a time 50 second. This video is 8 second. Now check video. Tap on play. You see video is generated successfully. Okay, there is the option to download and save to drive. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you on next video.